Hello there. So you want to know how you can moderate your Twitch chat? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and then simply head into twitch.tv. Once you've done that, make sure that you're already logged in into your account. All you need to do is click on your profile icon and then head to create a dashboard. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on Stream Manager, and this is where you can easily moderate your chats right over here. So for example, if someone is disrespecting or talking out of their mouth, then simply go ahead and right click on that person's name, and there's going to be a block or timeout option right over there. You can also simply go ahead and check all the messages right over here on the right hand side, and this is where you can simply go ahead and spot every little thing, so that if there's negative things, bad, positive things, everything will be right over here. Now click on chat setting. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and have show moderation actions right over here. And that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.